Hi friends, let me show you this pets fence or garden fence that I received for reviewing purposes. It's a large fence that you can use in your patio, in your lawn, or wherever you need to restrain your pets. Let's put it together. The fence is 18 feet long and 32 inches high. Each panel is 27 inches width and 32 inches high, okay? And the way to put it together, it's so easy. You just have to connect the panels with the poles like this. Let me show you. We're going to start with the door panel. And the connecting points have different heights. You have to align them like this, and that's it. You start to connect the panels. As you can see, you can use it with this configuration. The door opening is so easy. You just have to open the lock, and if you close it, it will auto lock, okay? You can use it like this to have your pets inside of it, like this, so you can protect your pets or protect whoever is outside, or you can use it as a fence to divide your patio, like this. As you can see, it's large enough to cover all your patio. Well, of course, 18 feet of patio. So you can use it to separate two areas of a patio or as a closed gating system, okay? So if you need to protect your pets, if you need to protect something from your pets in your house, in your patio, this is a really nice fence, easy to use, so easy to open and close it, okay? And you'll set it up in a few minutes and have your fence working immediately. Thank you.